guys, so the Nebula testnet, the final testnet to TGE actually is live, and this is a step-by-step guide on how to do the testnet task. This is a Solana project, and they have very good funding, and I do hope they put. So this is how you go about this. You see final testnet, and after this testnet is TGE. Remember I said this project is a very strong one, so do well to participate and interact on this final testnet. So what you need to do first is to get the registration link in the description box of this video, then paste it to your Mrs. browser or your PC if you have this laptop, then connect your Solana wallet. After you've connected your Solana wallet, this is it will be showing here, and to proceed to doing the task, you scroll down here to claim 5 Solana faucets. You see this get DevNet Soul. This is like getting faucet. So if you click on this, you enter your Solana wallet that you connected, this particular one that you connected, and enter the address here and click on claim. Because I've claimed already, I've claimed the 5 faucets. You see DevNet faucets. So you just enter the Solana wallet that you connected on the website and on this site, and click on claim. You get 5 testnet tokens every day. So after you've done that, then you are seeing node mission. You click on this become a node. Let's click on get started and see what we have. Connect a new worker, become a worker, and start earning by contributing compute. Let's click on next and see. Then I will activate this. Okay, minimum activate a worker, minimum to stake 10,000 esNEB to activate a worker. Okay, so let's see. I'll activate to start to activate this worker and start earning 2/6. Okay, I think I don't have up to this 10,000 first. So let me go back and do those tasks so that I can earn up to that 10,000 EXS they are asking for. So let me go back to the dashboard. So it looks like to do all of this other one. Okay, so to get that 10,000 esNEB, I need to come here to do all of these general quests. These are social tasks, and they have daily quests too. Everything is just Discord and X, the Twitter task. So by doing these tasks, I'll be able to get the 10,000 esNEB. Then come here to come to these node missions to become a worker node. So let me do all of these tasks. Okay, by doing this 4, I will be able to activate that worker. So guys, you see I've done some of these social tasks and I've earned esNEB. You see claim, and I'll click on this claim. So it can be deposited to my available esNEB balance. So now that I've claimed that, remember this other they have daily tasks. So even after this testnet, after they become a node something, you must come back every day to do the daily task. So I'll come back to this node mission and click on become a worker node. Then now that I have the minimum balance, I can now activate. And say activate worker. And I can now confirm for my wallet. So this has been activated. The mining. So another tax, take note, daily tax. This is a daily tax. So you come here to activate every day, this 24 hours they are saying. So I'm seeing 3 of 6 steps to complete. So let's go to verify node and see what other steps. Let me click on skip and see. So we've done this first one, which is the worker node. Then next one is this become a verify node. Let's see what that has. Launch verifier node. Let me click on launch. Set your verifier profile. Upload an image. Okay. I'll just click on any image and upload there. So yeah, node name. I'll just enter any name at all. Then here, next step. Choose your setup method. Choose your preferred setup. Start with CLI. Start with the Docker. Install CLI Docker. I think we have to do some installation here. Run a node. Activate your node. So I'll choose Windows. The next step. Start your verifier node by executing the command. So guys, I just find out that the installation the installation for this CLL2 for Windows is not yet available. It's only for the Mac book devices that is available. Linux and Windows is yet to be available, so I cannot proceed with the installation for this node at the moment until we are able to install the CLI2, because this is a Mac device I'm using. I'm sorry, this is a Windows device I'm using. So the installation is not yet available. I'll have to hold on to do this. And I think majority are using Mac, they are using Windows. So you should expect a subsequent on this launch verifier node. So without that, we'll not be able to complete this delegate. Let's see if we can delegate without completing this launch verifier. I'm guessing it's a step-by-step thing. You have to complete one before another. Okay, let me click on active delegate. If I click on delegate, let's see. Okay, I think this works. I can delegate without completing the CLI2. Let me use 1000 or probably 2K. So I can now click on delegate here. So if we can delegate, then we can redeem too, and it will just be left with the launch verifier node. That will be the one that will be remaining. So I've delegated successfully. Let me come to my delegations. How is it showing 0? Let me just refresh this. I've delegated 2000 esNEB. It should be showing under my delegations. This is it, running. Now it's showing. So I've completed this delegate. Then redeem. Let me click on redeem and see what we have. Okay. I have not earned anything yet, so there is no okay, redeem. ENSL, redeem period 12, 30 days, 2 days, 30% vesting, 6 days. Let's choose. Okay, so I can use this one to redeem. If I choose 12 days, they will give me 100%. If I choose, let me just redeem everything. It's just to perform task anyways. Insufficient balance. Let me do 1,000. I had to reduce the number of token starting from the one I staked. Okay, vesting in progress. This is 0 days. All of that. So by the end of these 12 days, the esNEB will be added to my available balance for redemption, and this is it. I think we are done with all others. The delegate, redeem, worker node. It's just this verifier node that is remaining. So maybe I will make a subsequent video to explain how to install the verifier CLL2 for the verifier node. Vote staking, what do we have here? APL. I can't participate in staking because I've exhausted my esNEB. So I'll just come back to the previous task where we did social tax to earn the esNEB. So with that, then you can earn more esNEB. So for you to earn esNEB, you do social tax, and that is why they bring daily tax every day so that you can earn this esNEB, because you need the esNEB to do all of this worker node, verifier node, delegates, redeem, and all of that. So like I just showed in this video, that's what you will be needing. So delegating esNEB, vaults, redeem, all of this. I don't have any esNEB again. I'll just go back to the social tax and see which one is available, or wait till tomorrow to do another social tax to earn esNEB and complete some other node earnings. So the more you do, the more you earn. That's just basically how it works. The more of this tax you do, the more you earn. So we've done this worker node. I think this is running. Should be showing. So this is running, but it has not added up. I'll just wait till tomorrow and see if I have something. Click on the button to start connecting your worker. It's running already, so I'll just hold on. So the only thing left is this verifier node, and that's it. We've completed delegates, we've completed redeem, we've completed worker node, and I think we are cool. So I get the information for this Linux and Windows setup for the verifier node. So there is nothing to claim yet because I just delegated. I'll have to wait. Come back to claim. Delegate it again. Redeem, stake. That's what you do basically. Yeah. So guys, this is how to do some of the tasks for this Nebula final testnet. Like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you guys in the next one, and bye.